If you give a pig a party. If you give a pig a party, she's going to ask for some balloons. When you give her the balloons, she'll want to decorate the house. When she's finished, she'll put on her favorite dress, then she'll call all her friends and invite them to the party. Her friends won't be home, so you'll go with her to look for them. On the way, she'll see a street fair. She'll want you to take her on the bumper cars. All her friends will be there. Let's see, we've got number 1 we can't see, and number 2 is Moose. Number 3, I'm not sure which one's number 3. Number 4 is Dog. Number 5 is Fox. Number 6 is Bunny. Number 7, Nobody. Number 8 over here, and number 9 is Cat and Mouse. Then you'll have to take her on all the rides. She'll want to play all the games too. When she's done, she'll ask you for some ice cream. When she's finished eating the ice cream, she'll need to change her clothes. You'll have to take her home. She'll ask her friends to come along. On the way, she'll start a game of hide and seek. Can you find all the animals? I see the cat, pig, moose, bunny, fox, snake, dog, mouse. When you finally get home, you'll have to make dinner. Then she'll want to have a sleepover. You'll have to find pajamas and blankets and pillows for everyone. When she sees the pillows, she'll probably start a pillow fight. Then she'll make a fortress out of blankets. Of course, when she's finished, she'll want to decorate it. So she'll ask for some balloons. And chances are, if you give her some balloons, she's going to ask you for a party. The end.